Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla inaugurated the Mookaswan combined water supply scheme under the Jeevan mission, providing tap connections to 163 households in Mookaswan and 43 in Latminkse. The Rs 4.03 crore project, completed in August 2024, was executed by the Public Health Engineering Department. Shilla praised community involvement, highlighting that villagers contributed Rs 50 per household for the scheme's sustainability and urged them to maintain the project for long-term benefits. A relief program was held yesterday